The length of time it takes college students to find a parking spot in the library parking lot follows a normal distribution with a mean of 4.5 and standard deviation of 1. Mean is equal to 5 and standard deviation. Find the cutoff time which 75.8% of the college students exceed when trying to find a parking spot in the library parking lot. So this is the probability which exceed this one. Right? That's the point, cutoff point that we have to find, which would for the students divide into like 75%, 8% below this one. So we have to perform the following steps to answer this question. Mm, The first one is draw a normal curve. So let's do it. This is our x value here. We have a normal curve like this, and so middle is this one, so that's our mu, and we have to find cutoff point for 75% of okay 75.8%, right? So we would be like say okay the total area is 1 or 100%, so looks like somewhere here if we make a cut here, and let's say this is x value that we have to find now, and we are given that the probability below this is 75.8%, which is the same as the area on the right of this one, so 0.758. So this is the area on the left of this cutoff point. And in this one, right, so this is the appropriate area, right? So that part. So this is the area or the given probability 0.758. So this is step 2 that we have shaded up. The next thing we have to do is that find z value corresponding to this x from the table. Mean that now we would see that the area on the left is this one. So this is the area on the left, and then what would be the corresponding z value? This is a normal probability distribution table, and now in these values we have to find the area, which is the area on the left side. So our area was 0.758. So look the number 0.758, and if you see that, so this is this value 0.758, and then corresponding z value would be here. This is corresponding z value 0.7, and the next digit would come from the column, and this is the zeroth column. Column on the top is 0, the second digit would be 0, so it would be 0.70. So z value is 0.70. So we would say that here, so that z value from the table that we find is 0.70. And then go to step 4, compute x value, and then x will be, that is a cutoff point, so that's mean plus z times sigma, and mean is 4.5 plus z is zero point 0.7 times sigma is 1, so this would come up to like 5.2, and this is the answer. So x would be, or the cutoff point would be 5.2 seconds.